Do you want to change or remove a filter on TikTok after recording? You can easily reset your visual effects or select a new color preset before posting your video. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change or remove a filter on TikTok after recording. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to record a new video. Now record your video using one of the filter. Once your video is recorded and you are on the main editing screen, look at the menu on the right side and tap on the filters icon. This will open the filter tray at the bottom of your screen. To completely remove the active filter, tap the clear or none icon on the far left of the options. This will instantly revert your video back to its original footage. If you prefer to swap the filter instead, simply browse through the categories and tap on any new filter to apply it. You can also use the slider above the filters to adjust how strong or subtle the filter looks on your clip. Once you are happy with the appearance of your video, tap anywhere on the preview screen to lock in your changes. Your updated filter settings are now saved, and your video is ready to post.